Not all locking pliers are created equal, and we tested the ones that stand up to real work. Discover our top picks in the best locking pliers for every toolbox in 2025 and upgrade your gear without wasting cash. Welcome to Today Decision, where we help you make smarter buying choices with trusted product roundups and expert insights. If you only add one tool to your collection this year, let it be the WORKPRO locking pliers. Compact but mighty, these pliers are designed for serious performance in a small footprint. Whether you're clamping down on bolts, twisting wire, or holding materials in place, this tool delivers a secure, reliable grip every time. Built to handle repeated heavy-duty use, it's made from chrome vanadium steel, known for its superior strength and resistance to wear. This tool is the perfect companion for both professionals and weekend DIY warriors. The WORKPRO pliers feature a high-quality adjustable screw mechanism that glides smoothly, allowing for quick jaw-width adjustments without any fumbling. The tool's one-handed release trigger adds a level of ease and safety, letting you disengage the lock without losing control. The diamond pattern anti-slip handle gives you steady control, even with sweaty or oily hands. Its 4-inch size makes it ideal for more delicate work or confined spaces where larger tools won't fit. Despite its size, the grip power is impressive, providing confidence and control on every project. Customers say it's the small tool that punches way above its weight. Many mention the rugged construction and reliable locking mechanism, even after extended use. The one-handed release is a fan favorite, particularly for users working in tight spots or awkward angles. A few reviews mention some initial stiffness out of the box, but note that it loosens nicely with regular use. Overall, it's hailed as an affordable, high-performing staple that's built to last. Why settle for one tool when you can have a full arsenal? The WORKPRO 3-piece locking pliers set delivers top-tier performance in 3 different forms, giving you the flexibility to tackle jobs of all shapes and sizes. From plumbing and automotive fixes to general repairs, these pliers are designed for multitasking efficiency. Made with heat-treated, drop-forged steel, they're built to last and resist corrosion even under tough shop conditions. Whether you're a hobbyist or a contractor, this is a rock-solid upgrade to your toolkit. The set includes a straight jaw for flat surfaces and a curved jaw for round or irregular shapes, covering a broad spectrum of grip needs. Each tool features reinforced teeth and adjustable clamping pressure, allowing you to fine-tune the hold for maximum efficiency. Anti-slip textured handles provide added safety and comfort, reducing the risk of slippage during high-pressure work. The different sizes, ranging from 6.5 to 10 inches, offer great range without needing additional tools. It's ideal for people who frequently switch between light detail work and heavy-duty gripping. Reviewers love the versatility of having 3 durable pliers in one set. Many users say it's their go-to kit for everything from fixing bikes to tightening pipe joints. The grip strength and handle comfort come up often in positive reviews. Some note the largest tool feels heavy after extended use, but agree it's worth the extra weight for what it can handle. Most agree it's a smart buy that delivers outstanding value. If affordability is your priority, the NOEAIKE locking pliers set gives you more tools for less. With 6 different pliers included, this set is an excellent pick for new homeowners, garage tinkerers, or anyone starting their tool collection. It comes with curved jaw, long nose, and even a grip-style C-clamp, giving you options for woodworking, metalwork, and general repairs. Each tool has a durable, corrosion-resistant finish and adjustable screw settings for better control. The ergonomic plastic handles help reduce fatigue during repetitive use. This set doesn't sacrifice features just because it's affordable. The wide jaw openings make them incredibly versatile, while the smooth clamping action adds convenience on the job. Whether you're holding, twisting, or pulling, these pliers adapt quickly and reliably. The locking mechanism feels secure and easy to operate, and the spring-loaded release helps with faster repositioning. It's the kind of kit that over-delivers for its price point. Users are surprised by the high quality at such a low cost. The included sizes make it ideal for anyone doing a range of light to moderate tasks. Most praise the comfortable grips and the smooth operation of the locking system. A few mentioned some minor jaw misalignment after heavy use, but agreed it doesn't affect overall performance. It's consistently recommended as a starter set with serious value. Precision jobs need precise tools, and that's where the grip-on curved jaw locking pliers shine. These pliers are built for delicate but demanding work, gripping everything from wires to small diameter piping with controlled force. The forged jaws offer refined strength, while the re-engineered teeth deliver superior bite without damaging your materials. Designed with epoxy resin-coated handles, these pliers also offer exceptional resistance to weld spatter and corrosion. It's a tool made for environments where control, durability, and finesse are key. The adjustable screw mechanism allows for quick and precise jaw sizing, helping you adapt on the fly. The quick release lever is smooth and intuitive, allowing you to work fast without sacrificing control. Unlike nickel-plated tools, the epoxy coating is 10 times more resistant to sparks and corrosion, making this a top pick for metalwork. These are the kind of pliers that perform where others slip, literally and figuratively. Compact yet powerful, they feel balanced in your hand, even during long sessions. Many reviewers call these their go-to for detail work. The comfort level is consistently praised, especially for those working long hours in metal shops. The grip strength is professional grade, and the quick release adds a touch of efficiency you didn't know you needed. Some mention the price is a bit steep, but most agree the quality justifies the cost. Users looking for reliability and precise tasks call this one of the best investments they've made. If you're dealing with the toughest jobs, the Malco Eagle Grip locking pliers are the heavy-duty workhorse you need. These pliers are designed for professionals who demand power, reliability, and precision under pressure. With a patented power ring system that increases thread strength and sharp, deeply machined teeth, these pliers can bite into even the most stubborn materials. The upper jaw is pinned and brazed for maximum bonding strength, making it virtually impossible to fail under stress. It's made in the USA and built for the long haul. The ergonomic plastic handle is designed for all-day use, while the oversized adjustment knob offers smooth tuning, even when wearing gloves. The steel construction is exceptionally thick and well-balanced, delivering unparalleled durability for demanding industrial and mechanical tasks. The locking force is intense, ideal for pipe fitting, HVAC, and automotive work. It also features a consistent release mechanism that keeps the jaws from snapping open uncontrollably. These pliers are overbuilt in the best possible way. Customers rave about the incredible clamping power and how solid the entire tool feels in hand. Many mention the USA manufacturing as a sign of quality and craftsmanship. The pliers are popular among mechanics, welders, and fabricators for their reliability in extreme conditions. The only real downside is the price, but for many, it's a worthwhile investment for a tool that performs above expectations. Want to dive deeper into all these locking pliers? Visit TodayDecision.ca for pricing, specs, and side-by-side comparisons to help you choose the right tool for your needs. If this video helped you out, be sure to hit that subscribe button. We've got weekly breakdowns of the best gear across tools, tech, and home essentials. And don't forget to like and share this video with fellow tool enthusiasts or DIYers. Every click helps us continue bringing honest reviews and expert